So boAt is back with another new pair of TWS earbuds, and in this video we'll be checking them out. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So this is boAt's newest TWS earbuds called the Airdopes 201. They're Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds and come in this sort of box packaging. We've got the boAt branding at the top and says that these are effing dope. Well, we'll have to see about that. Oh, we've got Shikhar Dhawan's picture on the front. Nice! Any fans of Shikhar Dhawan here? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Talking about the features of the product, it's a Bluetooth V5.0 TWS, IPX4 rated sweat and water resistant, offers up to 12 hours of total battery life and up to 3 hours on a continuous usage. Going to the other side, we've got even more features, like it's got a built-in microphone and can be used in both mono as well as stereo modes. So that's it, that was a look at the box packing. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. Let's open it and check out the product. So on opening the box, we got some paperwork at the top, which includes a warranty card, a product catalog, and a user manual. Make sure to read them for all the info on the product. There's also an accessory box here, which includes a micro USB cable for charging the case and a packet of extra ear tapes in different sizes. And finally, here is the product, boAt's new Airdopes 201. Wow, the case looks quite compact. So guys, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the earbuds. So this is how the charging case looks like. It's got a cube-like design, very compact and also lightweight. We've got the boAt branding at the top, and talking about the build quality is decent. The case is entirely made of high quality plastic and has a matte black finishing all over it. Let me give you an overview on the case. On the front side, we've got some battery status indicators. Going to the back, there's a micro USB port for charging. And on the bottom, we've got some info regarding the product. Alright, let's open it and check out the earbuds. So here they are guys, the boAt Airdopes 201. It's a magnetic charging case and automatically powers on the earbuds as soon as you take them out. That's a good thing because you don't need to power them on separately. Let me just take them out and show you. These earbuds can be used in both mono or stereo modes, and the design kinda reminds me of those old school Bluetooth earpieces. Don't you guys think the same? So these Airdopes 201 feature 10mm dynamic drivers and are also IPX4 rated sweat and water resistant. We've got the boAt logo at the top, a multi-function button above that, and also an LED Bluetooth status indicator. The quality of the button is also nice. Talking about the build quality, it's entirely made of plastic, has a matte black finish all over it, and going to the other side, we've got some charging contacts and left and right indications. The ear tips feel soft and durable and also have ear fins to offer better grip while wearing. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now I'll just pair them with my phone, put them on, and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The boAt Airdopes 201 are lightweight and feel quite comfortable for long time usage. They're IPX4 rated water resistant, so you can even use them during workouts, and the noise isolation felt decent. Talking about the sound, the audio quality was pretty good for the price, nothing less expected from boAt. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocals had a nice warm feel in them, and I could clearly hear all the dialogues. The treble quality was also decent. And talking about the bass was nice and punchy. Those 10mm dynamic drivers were definitely doing a good job. On the overall, I was quite satisfied with the audio quality for the price. Talking about the sound output, the output was loud and adequate with minimum distortions even up to 90% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And yes, not to forget, the Airdopes 201 also have a built-in microphone. And I have to say, the mic quality was great during call conversations. The other person was able to hear me clearly without any disturbances. Alright then, now let me tell you about the battery life. To be honest guys, I was not that satisfied with the battery life. On an average at 75% volume level, I was only getting around like 2.5 hours of continuous music playtime. But don't forget that the case also comes with a built-in battery and can charge your earbuds up to 4 times on a go. That means you'll get a total combined battery life of around 10 to 11 hours. Compared to the competition, I felt this was a bit less. Well, that's it for today. That was my review on the boAt's new Airdopes 201. They're pretty good TWS earbuds for the price. The build quality is nice, can be used in mono or stereo mode, IPX4 water resistant, and offers great quality sound. The only thing I felt was the battery life could have been better, and it would be more stylish if the earbuds were a bit small and compact in size. That's it, rest everything else was great. They cost around 2,499 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.